Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
If you check this channel, I'm sure you'll find various versions of sandwiches. But today, I'm going to show you another style of a sub sandwich. So let's get started. So let's start mixing a few ingredients in a bowl. In this bowl, I have 3 tablespoons of mayo. Into this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of grated cheese. Next, let's add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, a teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's give this a mix. Let's add in some colorful vegetables. I have 1/4 cup of finely chopped carrots, 1/4 cup of boiled yellow corn, 1/4 cup of finely chopped red capsicum, 1/4 cup of finely chopped green capsicum, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped cabbage. Let's give this a mix. Let's keep this mixture aside. I have half a bread loaf here and I'm just going to cut it from the center. Open it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove a little bit of the bread from the center, making a cavity. So from the top portion, I'm just going to pull out small bits of bread. Let's just warm this bread on the pan using a little bit of butter. Just apply a little bit of butter. Flip it over. Let's apply a little bit on the other side as well. Flip it over. Just warm it for around 20 seconds, not much. And that's it. Let's get it off the flame. Let's start with stuffing this loaf. So first, I'm going to place some lettuce leaves. Over this, some onion slices. You could even grill the onions if you wish, if you don't want to add them raw. Some tomato slices. And some cucumber slices. Let's sprinkle some salt and pepper just to season these vegetables. Pepper. And I'm also going to drizzle a teaspoon of chili sauce. Let's top it up with this mayo mixture. And some jalapenos and olives. And this overloaded sub sandwich is ready. I can't stop eating this mixture. I'm sure you're not going to stop eating this sandwich. So definitely give this a try. Subscribe to Rajshri Food and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.